In this video, I will talk about electric dipole. What is electric dipole? If you have two charges, one positive and another negative charges, equal amount of charges, separated by a distance, then that forms an electric dipole. So electric dipole is 2 point charges of equal magnitude, opposite signs, and separated by a small distance, that is called an electric dipole. The example of electric dipole is the water molecule. If you look at the water molecule, the center of the negative charges, which is the negative charges due to the oxygen, and the center of the positive charges are not exactly at the same location. They are offset by small the distance. So by definition, the water molecule is an electric dipole. Again, the reason is because the negative charges and the positive charges are at the different locations. Now we'll talk also about the electric dipole or the dipole moment. What is the dipole moment? The dipole moment is simply denoted by P, and it is defined as the Q times R. What is Q here? The Q is the magnitude of one of the charges, and R is the distance between these two. So you take the magnitude of one charge and the distance. So that is the dipole, the moment. Okay. So what is the unit of the dipole moment? The unit of the dipole moment. What is the unit of charge? Is the coulomb. What is the unit of the distance? R. It is the meter. So coulomb meter is the dipole moment, the unit. This is one of the units. The direction of the dipole moment is always from negative to positive charges. So as you can see in this picture, if you have negative charge and if you have positive charge, then the dipole moment direction is always from negative to positive charges. Or in this case, it is towards this direction, from negative to positive charge. So this is it from the electric dipole. In the next video, I'll be talking about the electric field due to an electric